Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, September 26, 2023. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto exchange. As you can see, I'm using the daily time chart with Japanese candlesticks. So what is something special about this chart is of course that very big bar here, which is apparently visible only on the Tether chart. This is of course kind of a liquidity situation when the Bitcoin quarter to Tether has a very low liquidity, so some of the trades were made far away from the current price. It returned to the level when it all begins within seconds. So let's say that this is like a kind of a liquidity thing in the Zondacrypto. So we can continue on the regular with the regular analysis on this market. So what do we have here is of course the technical support located here. So as you can see, we got the 24,900 level still present as a key technical support. We got the level of 25,017 as well here, so very thick level of the technical support is still present here. We got the yearly high 31,562, so we need to mark it as the very important level. And of course, if we disregard the recent spike up on this market, we can have like a short-term trend line resistance as well. Resistance because the market is trading below this trend line. So what is the situation here? It's like a bearish situation. The recent test of the technical support was successful. The market bounced significantly higher. The local high was made at 27,463. Nevertheless, it's still not enough to continue the rally. As you can see, first we need to break above 28,014, and then this market needs to break above the level of 28,000 and I think it was 746. These two levels needs to be violated in order for the Bitcoin to resume the uptrend, and of course the local trend line resistance needs to be broken as well. So as you can see, judging by this candle, it's not that easy because the bears immediately will push the price back towards the last known level, basically. And right now we are just slowly but surely moving lower, step by step, where towards this technical support 24,900, 25,017. This is the technical support, key technical support for the boots. I don't know how to make it even more significant for you guys. Maybe these two arrows will make it even a little bit better. So we need to keep an eye on this level here. We need to keep an eye on this technical support. As you can see, we might even add one more level here because the old technical support was a little bit higher as well, 25,139. So it's a little bit over $100. But that's the old, let's say, technical resistance from the beginning of the 2023, the middle of the February, basically, to be honest. Now, this is the key zone. Those are the key three levels, horizontal technical support levels that cannot be violated if the Bitcoin wants to continue the up move. But now the bearish pressure is very hard, as you can see, judging by this candle. So we should expect this market to move lower, basically, sooner or later, unless the market will break the mentioned level, right? The technical resistance level. So if we judge this market, if we analyze this market looking at the moving averages, as you can see, 200 moving average is getting closer to 100 moving average on the daily time frame chart. Right now, those averages are 28,361 and 27,919. So it's kind of a $400, not even $400 difference between 200 and 100, which is not good, because that means not good for bulls, because that means the average price is not changing. Average price of the Bitcoin is not changing that much, and once the 100 period moving average breaks below 200 periods moving average, we will have the bearish cross on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto, which is another indication of the incoming extension to the downside on the Bitcoin. So the situation is very, very serious. The situation is very interesting as well. So please keep an eye on the cross on the moving averages. Please keep an eye on any kind of a attempt to move higher above the mentioned technical resistance levels and the trend line. And please as well keep an eye on this zone here, this horizontal technical support zone, because it's a key one in the short term. And without any kind of a, and as long as this zone and levels, right, are not violated, the outlook remains still slightly bullish. But after the breakout below, there is no indication of any kind of a increased bullish activity. Quite contrary, there is bigger indication saying that after the breakout below 24,900, the next target is 19,646 on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.